Hello everyone. Today we have the Simmodlens Super Secret Lens Grease. To apply the Simmod Super Secret Grease to Canon NFDs, remove the Simmodlens Ed Mica NFD to EF lens mount. Next, you're going to remove the dampen control gear from the lens simply by lifting it away from the lens barrel. Take your finger and grab a small amount of the Simmodlens Super Secret Lens Grease and apply it to the areas that come in direct contact with the dampen control gear. Be very careful to add just the right amount. Reinstall the dampen control gear and the Ed Mica NFD to EF lens mount. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content just like this.